Hello students and welcome to the new lecture session. Myself Shankho Ghosh, Assistant Professor of Automobile Engineering Department at Dr. Sudhir Chandra Sur Degree Engineering College under the JIS group. Today we will discuss a new topic that is called earth moving equipments and farm machinery. Basically this is the subject for the diploma students in 5th semester. So this is a 5th semester subject for the diploma students in automobile sector. So before starting the today's class, just introduce the objective of this subject. As I told, the subject name is earth moving equipments and farm machinery, and the objective of this subject are to understand about the earth moving equipments and farm machinery also. Number 2, to understand the function, working principle, detailed constructional features and the applications of these earth moving equipments. Number 3, to understand the general specification of this earth moving machine equipments. Number 4, to understand the various type of plant protection equipments and the harvesting equipments, and all of these are there, and study all of these. At least the last objective is that to understand the comparison in between the general automobile and these earth moving machines, and the outcomes of these subjects are student easily compare the general automotive vehicle and the earth moving equipment and the farm machinery. Those are helps in the agricultural sector, horticulture sector, in its etc. Number 2, students can easily understood the various kinds of earth moving machine and the farm machinery with their function, working nature, working nature or the working principle and their application. So students, now this is the objective and the outcomes of these subjects. Now coming to the today's lectures. Today I will teach you on the module number 1. The title name is earth moving equipments, and the objective of this section is that to understand the various kind of, to introduce with this various kind of earth moving equipments, its basic it's various types of its earth moving equipments, to understand the general specification of the earth moving machine, and also compare with this earth moving machine with the general automotive vehicle with some parameters. Now let's start the today's class on earth moving equipments, which is the part A class. So let's start the today's class on earth moving equipments. Starting with the introduction. Heavy earth moving equipment covers a particular branch of automobile engineering which deals with the heavy machines and plants which is used for the big construction projects, maintenance of roads, dams, irrigations, defense program and the mining, etc. So basically the earth moving equipment is used for the construction project, maintenance of road, dams, irrigation system, defense program systems, mining, etc., etc. And beside this earth moving machine is basically deals with the uh, is basically cover an application of the automobile sector. And these types of equipment are basically categorized as the heavy earth moving machines or HEMMS. That means heavy earth moving machines. Almost all of the members of the heavy earth moving machines are self-propelled, excepting a few of them like ripper, scraper, may be trailed or towed since the progress of our civilization, and the men are used to practice various types of hand tools like shovel, spade, axe, rammer for the construction and the farming works. And so students, here some various types of heavy earth moving machines looks like this is a loader, this is an excavator, forklift, crane, roller, reach truck, grader, mobile crane, bulldozer, dumping truck, etc. Now coming to the next slide. As I told in the previous slide that almost all of the members of the heavy earth moving machines are self-propelled except a few of them like ripper, scraper, maybe trailed or towed. Since the progress of our civilization, the men used to practice various kind of hand tools like shovels, spade, axe, rammers for the construction and the farming work. These processes of manual operation these processes of manual operations are machined with science and technology input a wider extent. This process of manual operations are basically machined with the science and technology input to a wider extent to bring the capacities of machine enormous. Nowadays, time and cost of projects time and cost are two important of projects are the two important aspects for the completion of the project work. So heavy earth moving equipments play an important role to serve these important two aspects. Those are the time and the cost. So the use of such machines are becoming more and more relevant. Bulldozer, tractor, shovel, crane, loader are the major examples. Bulldozer, tractor, shovel, crane, loader are the major example of this art of the heavy earth moving equipments. And here some the pictures are, and there are some pictures of the earth moving equipments like loader, excavator, forklift, crane, bulldozer, road roller, grader, reach truck, boat dumping truck, etc. So these are the introduction of these heavy earth moving equipments. Now coming to the introduction of the farm machineries. Basically basically the farm machineries are deal with the mechanical plant or deals with the mechanical plants employed in the sector of agriculture, horticulture and the forestry. These machines are though heavy still heavy. So those machines are used basically in the sector of the agriculture, horticulture and the forestry. They are in heavy, but still it is simple and lighter than the heavy earth moving equipments. It has been observed that for the food security, the agricultural development is necessary with the employment at the farm machineries. So as I told here, the farm machinery, those are deals with the employed in the sector of the agriculture, horticulture and the forestry. So in the sector agriculture, horticulture and the forestry, those machines are used or no called as the farm machinery. So these machines are basically in heavy but still simple and the lighter than the heavy earth moving machines. So why we use these types of heavy machines, heavy farm machines in this sector of agriculture, horticulture, forestry? Just because of the food security. The agriculture developed is necessary with the employment at farm machinery. So in our country, the labor displacing effect with the introduction of farm machinery is frequently questioned. But the farm power available now through manual source is 15 times costlier than the mechanical power. So students, in our country, in India, the labor displacing effect with this introduction of these farm machines is frequently questioned. But the farm power available now through the manual source is 15 times costlier than the mechanical power. Moreover, the availability of the manual work for farming is decreasing. So therefore the mechanization in agriculture with the farm machineries is becoming inevitable. The shortage of the employment opportunities with the farm mechanization can be compensated by the growth manufacturing operation and the maintenance of farm machineries. There are the common types of farm machineries are farm tractor, seed drill, harvester, sprayers, dusters, combines, etc. So here are the picture of here are the two pictures. Those are basically used in the farm, used as a picture, were used as a farm machines in the field of agricultural, horticulture and the forest. This is the farming process. Now coming to the various kind of or various types of heavy earth moving machines and their application. So there are various types of heavy earth moving machines are there are present in this world. And in between them there are few of them are tractor, bulldozer, reaper, scraper, shovel, dragline, backhoe, camshail, excavator load and loader, grader, dumper, road roller, crane. So here we describe in the 13 types of these heavy earth moving machines and describe their applications. So student, let's start with this tractor. The tractor is an engineering vehicle which is specially designed to deliver a high tractive effort at the slow speed for the purpose of hauling of trailer or the machinery such as that used in the agriculture or the construction. So here is the picture. This is the picture of a tractor. So basically the main function of this tractor is that to capable of producing the traction on the towed implements. And the important attachments of this: the shaft, hitches, drawbar, wheel and the crawler mounting. So these are the important attachments of this tractor. And coming to the application of this tractor, so the application is that the wide applications as producing the tractive force to pull implement to generate drive for other machines, shafts and transportation of the goods. So these are the basically tractors applications and functions and their important attachment. And here and this is the pictures of the tractors. Next is bulldozer. Basically all of us are known or familiar with this word that is bulldozer. Those are basically used to purpose for the construction sites. So these bulldozers are basically the main function of this dodging or pushing of loads in the forward direction. And what are the important attachment of this bulldozer? The important attachment of the bulldozers are blade, push arm, host and the hosting mechanism. So these are the important attachment. And what are the what is the application of this bulldozer? The applications of bulldozer is to and clearing, pushing and clearing loose rocks, soil, snows at different depths. So bulldozer is basically used to push and clear the loose rocks, soil, snows in the different depths. As so bulldozer, here are the bulldozer, its important attachments, functions and the applications are there. And this is the pictures of the pictures of a bulldozer. Next is reaper. Reaper is used as an heavy earth moving machines. Those are basically used in the farming sector and other on the construction sector. So this reaper is basically used to disintegrate and soften rocks and hard soil by dredging and the scraping. So students, these reapers are basically used to disintegrate and soften rocks and the hardened soil by dredging and the scraping. And the important attachment of these reapers are as hydraulic or the rope control the reaper tool, and the application is used this reaper is used before the dozing and the scraper of hand rock or of hard rock, scraper of hard rocks and soil to lay underground cable. It is helpful to lay the underground cable for the electrical and the electronic telecommunication cables. Here is the picture. Here this is the picture of the reaper. Those are used for the disintegrate the softened rocks. Next is scraper. So basically a scraper is a heavy equipment which is used for the earth moving purpose. It has a rear bed as a vertical movement hooked with a sharp horizontal front edge and that cuts into the soil like a carpenter's plane and fills the hopper. So this scraper is basically used to grade the surface of soil by slices and then transporting the soil and grading. So these are the main functions of a scraper, and the important attachments of the scrapers are ejectors, bowl and apron. Coming to the application of the scraper, this is used excavating, hauling and grading, the operation of roads, embankment and dams. So student, a scraper is basically converter of belt moves where material belt converter of belt where the belt moves the material from cutting edge to the hopper section to store it. And here is the picture of the scrapers. Next is shovel. A shovel is a bucket equipment, a machine. The shovel basically is a bucket equipment, a machine. Those which is usually electrically powered and used for the digging and loading earth or the fragmented digging and loading of the earth or fragmented rocks, and this is are used for the mineral extraction. The basically the students, the basically the main functions of the shovels are a loading, hosting, swinging and dumping of soil, boulder and the rocks. And the important attachments of the shovels are boom, bucket, dipper stick with the crowding and the turntable. Now coming to the application of this shovel, this is the excavating, hosting, transport of soil, boulder, rocks in the construction project, and it is also used in the mining projects. And here are the some pictures. Here are the picture of the shovel. Next is drag line. Next is drag line. A drag line is a piece of heavy equipment which is basically used to the earth moving purpose, and this drag line fall into the two broad category. Those are based on the standard lifting crane and the heavy units which have to be built on site. And this drag line are basically used the dragging loose and the moist soil loading, hosting and the transporting. And the important attachments of the drag line are boom, bucket, working mechanism and the turntable. So these are the important attachments of the drag line. Now coming to the application, it may be self-propelled or propelled by the other machines to collect and transfer the loose soil, and it is also very much suitable for the underwater work. So students, here is the pictures of the drag line. Next is backhoe. The next one is backhoe. A backhoe is a heavy equipment. A backhoe is a heavy equipment vehicle that consists of a tractor like unit which is fitted with a loader style shovel or the bucket on the front and a backhoe of the back. So if we modify a tractor with the two buckets, if it is fitted in the side of front, then it acts as a shovel, and if we fit the bucket in the back side of this, so then it is acting as a backhoe. So the backhoe is basically used to excavating, drags, load, and the hoist the dumps soil. The two booms, bucket, crowding, and the turntables are the important attachments of these backhoes. And coming to the application, backhoe is used for digging and trenching operation, for mining, building construction, trench cutting in the defense operation. So student, here is the pictures of the sun is backhoe. Next, COMCEL. COMCEL is a earth moving machine which is used for the digging and removing load from the particular spot. And what are the important attachments of this? The bucket, hoist rope, dump, rope, and the turntable. So these are the main important. And the application of these COMCELs are digging the spot, loading and removing the heavy loads, and dumping in a particular spot at the construction site and the steel industry. Here are the pictures. This is a picture of the COMCEL. Next is excavator loader. The excavators are heavy construction equipments which is consisting of a boom, dipper, bucket, and a cab of rotating platform, push arm, and the hoist and loader. Basically the main functions of these excavators is to excavate and haul and to load the soil, rock, and the mineral. And the important attachments of these equipments are buckets, push rod, and the hoist loader. And it is used in the construction site, garbage disposal, and the mining sector. So here is the pictures of the excavator and loader. Next is the grader. Sorry. Next is the grader. The grader is a form of heavy equipment with a long blade which is used to create a flat surface during the grading. This grader is grading with the transportation at the material and dumping and also ramming purpose. Blade, circle blade, wheel blade, circle blade, wheel mounting, and drawbar are the main important attachments of this equipment. And the applications are the important road making machineries are capable of doing almost all operation for the road making. So here is the pictures of a grader. So student, as I told in the previous slides that there are 13 types of the heavy earth moving machines. So in between these 13 heavy earth moving machines, today we covered the 10th heavy earth moving machine, and the next class will discuss the other sea earth heavy earth moving equipments. And besides that, we also discuss the general specification of these earth moving equipments. So till then, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you. Thank you so much, students. Thank you very much.